Hey, what's up? This is Sharvamala, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make the Subway Surfers hack. Okay? Now first, here is where to install it. I have plugged in my um Android phone to my laptop. Uh, the thing is, there are a bunch of files that most of us don't know what all of them do. So I'm gonna show you what some exciting things can do, like hack all the games you have. Now first we go to the download section, and I've already downloaded the Subway Surfers hack. Okay, the Subway Surfers hack is um, like a save game that one person bought everything. Okay, now here it is. We open it. We have two folders. Okay, now we're gonna extract it. Or we can just copy com.kiloo.subwaysurf and go to the SD card of Android, Android phone, and click on the Android file. Not the .android, the Android with the capital A. Then go to data, search for com.kiloo.subwaysurf. Now you just control V, replace files, and that's it. You have unlimited money and you can buy everything you want. All the surfboards, but there is one problem. Um, you might want to check out some new stuff, that there are limited stuff in Subway Surfers and they might not be available right now, so I'm sorry. But you will have them because I will give you my save game which I collected all of the characters. So thanks for watching. I will put the link to this in the description. Thank you. And if you want, you can post any game you would like me to hack in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe and like.